What's going on, everybody? It's your girl SnkrMom back in the building, back with another review for you guys. Today we're going to be reviewing the new Yeezy 350 Compact. Let's get into it. First, you got a different size of a 350 box, which is smaller than a normal 350 box. You got 350 on the top. On this side, it says knit. This side just says made by Adidas. And then we turn to the front of the box. It reads Yeezy 350 V2 Compact. And the color is Slate Red, and Slate Red. Size 6 and men. Let's get into it. You go open up the box, which it looks like the normal insides of every 350. You got your plain, I would say cream looking paper on the inside. And then that's all that's on the inside of the box. But let's get into this main ingredient, which is the Yeezy 350 Compact Slate Red. Alright, this shoe right here, I had second thoughts on it, but I just went ahead and pulled the trigger on it, and man, I'm glad I did. These right here got to be the most comfortable Yeezys out there. Like, they are more comfortable than the 350. They just, I don't know, it's just the whole makeup of this shoe is comfortable. Like, you just got, if you don't have any, I recommend you getting a pair of these compact Yeezy 350s, because man, these are super comfortable. If you love comfort, these are the shoes right here to get. But let's get into the make of the shoe. You got the whole knit going around the whole shoe, which is red. Very nice material, very stretchy material, as you can see, and it clings to your foot when you put it on. Very sock-like material. It also has like a little touch of I would say like an olive green going on through the shoe right up in here, which is different. It's very different in the shoe, because I thought the shoe was just going to be all red, but they had to put a little extra touch to it, which is that dark green, which really looks good on the shoe. So you got the same red shoestrings with the laces that, you know, don't have anything. You just got to pull them. They didn't come with any extra laces. You got your top going around the ankle part of your shoe, which is it's like knit material. Also, once you put it on, it clings to your ankle, which is a very nice touch. The bottom of the shoe is all red with your boots, of course. And then the inside of the shoe, you got your Yeezy with your globe on the inside, which is the said, but I think they said all the new materials are recyclable materials. That's what the shoe was made out of, so that's also a nice touch to the shoe. But this whole shoe is just a nice shoe, and of course, it's red. Like, I love red, and you can pretty much wear red with a lot of things, and these right here are it, man. I'm telling y'all, if you love comfort, these are the shoes right here to have. The inside of the shoe, like I said, it has a Yeezy with the globe in there, and then, like, you can't see it, but on the top part of the shoe, right up in here, when you put it on, it's like an extra padding in there, so it gives you more comfort. And it just, I mean, it just feel like you just walking on pillows all day. That's what it feel like when you wear these. It's just a very nice shoe. They retail for $230, and they came out February 17th. I picked them up, of course, in the aftermarket, because I wasn't able to hit on them when they came out. But I got them off of eBay, so I didn't pay, that wasn't that bad of a price, and they came in, and I was just, man, I was totally shocked of really the comfort of this shoe. Because, I mean, it had the blue pair, the blue slate that came out first last year. I didn't go for those because I really didn't like how those looked. But when I saw the red ones, I was like, okay, I'm going to try and get the red ones just to see how they are. And man, I kind of wish I would have got the blue ones now, even though the blue is kind of hard to match with the little cream it got going on the bottom. So I might not go for the blues. I might just wait for the next colorway of these to come out. But these red ones right here, man, these are it right here, man. If you looking for a perfect gym shoe, this is it. I know y'all remember those fly knits back in the day that was the soft material. These right here are like an upgrade. They are totally comfortable. So I mean, I really recommend this shoe if you don't have it, or if you don't like Yeezys, and of course, I mean, you wouldn't get them. But if you like Yeezys and you want something that's super comfortable besides the 350s and the 700s, these right here are it. I'm telling you. Oh, sorry, Siri, I didn't mean to hit you. But yeah, that's what I got. This was the left shoe. Let's get into the right shoe, which looks the same as that way And of course, it came with the tags and everything, but I already wore them, so I took the tags off. So it's the same normal Yeezy tags. It just say Yeezy 350 Compact Red Slate colorway, size 6 in men. Oh, also in the sizing wise on these, they fit differently. Like, they don't fit as tight as the 350, so I went with a size 6 just because everybody was saying they fit big, and they actually fit me just fine. I actually could have went down half a size, 5.5, and they would have fit me perfectly. But I would say if you're going for these, just go true to size. You don't have to size a half up because they already fit big. And then normally with the inside, where you can pull the inside of the shoe out, these don't. You can't pull out, like, it's all connected. The whole thing is connected on the inside, so you can't pull these out. And it's just like everything is just connected to the knit. The whole shoe is just knit with no extra pull out parts or anything. So I would say go true to size if you're going for these. But if you have a wide foot, of course, you can go for your half a size up. But other than that, I would stick to true size on these right here. Like I said, I usually go up a half a size on my Yeezys, but these right here, I stuck to my true to size and they fit perfectly. Actually, I have a little extra room at the toe, so it's totally up to you what you want to do. But in my advice, I would say go true to size. But yeah, that's the left shoe. The right shoe looks totally the same as the right shoe with your red going away all the way around the bottom, your whole upper knit red going around the shoe with your touch of olive green specks going on throughout there. I like the different like design of it. It's like different. I don't know what you would call that, but it's just the whole make of the shoe is different. And just because I like different, that's what drew me to these. And then plus this red colorway, like how often do we get red Yeezys? So I totally had to go for these. But yeah, that's all I got for y'all today. This is a Yeezy 350 Compact Slate Red. Y'all let me know down in the comments below what y'all think about these. Did you try to go for them or did you pass on them? But I'm telling y'all, if y'all looking for some comfortable shoes, these are right here. These are it right here. So if you haven't tried to get them, I mean, go on the aftermarket. Like I said, eBay had them for prices not too bad. But then, of course, you got your StockX and your GOAT also. So totally up to you, your preference. But if you're looking for comfort and a Yeezy, these are it right here. But yeah, that's all I got for y'all today. That's a Yeezy 350 Compact Slate Red. Y'all let me know down in the comments what y'all think about them. Continue to follow me on Instagram at SnkrMom1721. And yeah, that's all I got for y'all today. Until the next time, it's your girl SnkrMom. Peace.